Bob Holloway with MarineMax in Louisville, and today we're going to be taking a look at the Scarab 255 Open. It's a really cool boat from Scarab. It's 25 foot long. It actually has a flip down tailgate on the back, which makes it 27 feet overall length. The tailgate's really handy. It does have a dive ladder that can go on it, but it opens up the back of the boat for water sports activity or fishing, stepping off the back of the boat. It's got some really cool features here as well. There are padded cushions on each side, and these seats reverse, so you can sit facing forward or you can reverse the seat backs and face rearward if you're just sitting around on the boat and playing around in the water a little bit. It's got a 3-wide captain's helm seat with a flip down bolster in the middle. This particular boat is powered, and all of our 255s for 2019 are, is powered by twin 300 horse Rotaxes, so this is a 600 horsepower boat. Top speed on the boat's going to be in the low 60s. It's got a really nice touchscreen dash here. It does have GPS, it's got a fish finder. It's got some really cool functions in it, and there are boat control switches. Really nice waterproof switches that light up when they're activated. It's push button start. You got a nice stainless steel wheel that does tilt. This is a real glass windscreen. Really nice tailor-made window. You do have also a Ritchie compass that illuminates at night. Another cool feature is slide outs to hold your phones or any other type of devices you have, and there are charge ports and USB ports underneath. So it's a great place to put, you can put a couple of phones here and have them charging. Maybe have Navionics running on one of those and then have the dash on a separate system. You also do have some outlets here for charging and auxiliary input for the stereo. The stereo is controlled through the touchscreen. It does have the upgraded premium sound system. It's got kicker speakers with a subwoofer and amplifiers, and the speakers have LED lights at night. Really good looking package when it's lit up. One of the great features on all the Scarabs is it's a family friendly front. You can remove all these cushions and drop in the deck to make it a fishing boat, but it's also a great runabout, and as you'll notice, it's got dual igloo coolers, one on each side of the boat. It's got some really good access there, so tons of cooler space. There's just locker in the floor for storage. Good sized compartment there, table leg stores in there. The cockpit table you can use here or you can use on the back of the boat. And then this is one of the cool features of all the Scarab center console open boats, is a massive compartment that opens up. It's got storage for your fishing seat, storage for stuff that needs to be put away, covers, you can put a porta potty in it. Really cool feature on this boat. We did the SeaDek snap-in flooring in and out on the boat. It does have a live well in the front. It's got stainless steel rod holders, 4 of them around the boat all over. Just a great overall family-friendly boat. Hard top. This hard top and T-top function actually can pull a wake order, so that's a really good feature on a fishing center console fishing boat. Hardly ever see that. Great boat. Give us a call if you got any questions about it. If you'd like to take this thing out on the water, check us out at MarineMax.com 24 hours a day, or stop by our store in Louisville. Thanks and have a great day.